Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making Father's Day fishing cards. The supplies we need for this craft are twine, scissors, cotton balls, black crayon, glue, popsicle stick, googly eyes, and we have white paper, blue paper, and orange paper. So first we're going to take the white paper and just lay it flat, and then we're going to cut for water. So we're just going to cut a few waves into it and cut it in half. And then we're going to just make sure it lines up right, and we're going to glue. And just put it down, and you might want to press on it so it stays. And then we're gonna make our fish, and I just drew my handprint with a pencil and then cut it out. So here's my version, the fish, and we're just gonna set him down in the water. We're gonna glue him down. And we try to make the thumb facing downwards, so. And then I'm going to put a few cotton balls. Just a couple. And we're going to put his eyeballs on. And then we're going to make the mouth. And this will be our fishing rod, and we're going to take the twine. Cut a longer piece down. And then we're going to tape it to the popsicle stick. You might want to wrap it around just once, so it looks more like a fishing pole. Just press on it so it stays. It's going to take a little bit. And we're going to kind of have it up there. And I'm going to cut a little bit more off. I think I got too much. I'm going to put the last piece of the fishing wire and glue it down. And then we're going to glue the fishing pole down. Kind of give it a minute to set. And then I'm going to write on mine, but you can write any message you want. You can say whatever you want on the top, on the white part, but just anything you feel like writing. And this is our Father's Day fishing card. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.